this is Young Tech God from Fast Tech. In this one, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your Xbox One X if it's not turning on. So if your Xbox One doesn't power on, if this light indicator doesn't light up and the console doesn't beep, you don't get any display on the screen obviously because the console won't even turn on. In most cases, this is caused due to a defective power supply, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace that power supply unit today. We sell the power supply and the tools on our website that you need to disassemble this Xbox and get this job done. And I'm going to put the links in the description box for those. And you can also use the coupon code YouTube for a discount when you make your purchase at Fast Tech. So let's get started. We're going to plug the power cable in, and you're going to see in a minute that it doesn't turn on. There's no beep, there's no sound. If you press the power button, nothing happens. And that's most likely due to a defective power supply. In some cases, it could be also due to in some cases it could be due to a defective motherboard, but in 90% of the cases, it's a defective power supply, and we sell that part on our website, and I'm going to put a link in the description for that. So to disassemble it, we're going to look at the back of the console, and there's going to be two screws here at the back. This one here is going to be covered under a sticker, but that sticker is not present because this console was already open before we received it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove these two screws. They're Torx T10, and we sell the screwdriver on our website. I'm going to put a link in the description box. So here. Once we remove these screws, this top cover is just going to slide off and we can lift it off. You're going to pull it forward and then lift it up. Alright, now that we've got that out of the way, we're going to remove these Torx T10 bolts that hold this side of the case in place. This one here. This one here. This one here. And then there's one here. We're gonna have to remove this piece here. This one's held in by a Torx T8 screwdriver. We also sell this screwdriver as well, and it's also part of an Xbox One disassembly kit, which you can buy on our website. Again, the link's going to be in the description box. Now I'm going to go ahead and lift this piece up. It's held in place with a connector and two screws. We're going to get that out of the way. At the front, we're going to remove this cable here. There's a clip that we're gonna lift, and then we can just remove the case and the cable should come out, but you're gonna be careful not to break that cable. All right, now at this point, we're gonna remove this frame right here. It's gonna lift off. Gonna flip the console over again, and we're gonna remove these two Torx T10 screws right here. We're also gonna have to remove this bolt right here at the back. We have to remove this bolt and this bolt, and it holds the cooling system, and also this bolt here. And now our cooling system is out of the way, and we need to get that out of the way to get to the power supply. We're going to move the disk drive out of the way and remove the connector for the fan. And now we can get the power supply out of the way. Okay, you just put it on the side like so. And we're gonna lift the fan off. And now we can remove the power supply. If your Xbox One X is not turning on, if it turns off after running for a few minutes, it could be a power supply issue.
But in some cases, it could be a motherboard issue as well. But in 90% of the cases, it is the power supply, which is this thing right here. And again, we sell this on our website, and the link's gonna be in the description box. And you can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. Before we put the power supply back in, we're gonna line up the connector. Okay. Gonna line up the connector, and we're gonna put the power supply to the side. And you need to do this to get the fan in, because otherwise the cable is gonna get in the way. This cable right here. Once that connector is in, we're gonna run this cable through where it was. You can run them one at a time so it's easier. And then get this disk drive out of the way. We're gonna reconnect the fan connector. Put the power supply back in, and there's a connector here that needs to line up. This connector here needs to line up with this connector. I'm gonna make sure it's seated properly. Put the disk drive back in. We're gonna install the top frame back on. This cable is gonna go here. This connector is gonna go around. All right, what you wanna do is lift it a little bit. Lift this clip here. Push this cable in all the way till the blue line, and then push this connector down, and now that's connected. This piece is gonna come around. There's a connector right here. All right, you're gonna line up the connector and push it in and reinstall the screws that hold it in place. All right, now we're gonna install the rest of the screws back in the system. The case screws, the power supply screws, and the rest of them. You guys might wanna pay attention to where I'm installing the long bolts. The long ones go here, here, here. 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 And the rest of them are the short ones. Install the top case back on. Okay, and so for this, it's gonna be a little bit tricky for some people getting it right the first time. So what we're gonna wanna do is hook up this side here first. On the side, you're gonna wanna go over this network card here. You're gonna wanna go over it. And then somewhere around here, we're gonna attach the other side. You're gonna line this side up. Line the other side up.
like that. Line both sides up. And then push it in. You're gonna hear some clicks clipping in. And you wanna make sure everything is lined up, which it is, and flush. And then we're gonna install the Torx screws, and then we're pretty much done. One here. And we're done. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, if this helped you out, and buy the parts from us. That helps us out a lot. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications when we release a video. And it also lets YouTube know that we're doing the right thing. And don't forget to check us out at www.fasttech.ca or fasttechstore.com if you need any parts, tools, or repair services. Alright, so now we're going to plug it in and test to see if it works, and it should turn on this time. There you go. It looks like it's working. And like I said again, guys, all the parts that were needed for this job are in the description box. And you can also visit us at www.fasttech.ca or fasttechstore.com. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell notification. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell next to the subscribe button. As long as you like the video and subscribe to the channel, that helps us out a lot and costs you nothing. Also, follow me on Instagram. It's YoungTechGod, and I'm going to put the link in the description for that. I'm going to be giving away a PS4 soon, and if you want to be in that contest, you have to follow me on Instagram. So I'm going to put that link in the description box, so go ahead and give me a follow. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button, and share this video if you can. And stay tuned for more content. I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos in the next upcoming weeks. I know I've been a little bit slow posting videos for you guys, but I've been really busy. But I'm back at it now. I'm going to be posting a lot more. So stay tuned and stay subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one.